Hello and welcome to another episode of Digital Decode. I am Mayank Bhambri and today we are decoding a transformation story that highlights how digital system can bring transparency, control and trust into public land governance. In this episode, I will give you a walkthrough on how we built our GIS-based proof of concept to digitize land revenue management for smarter governance. Land ownership and revenue management have traditionally relied on offline records and manual processes. While these systems have existed for decades, the struggle to support modern governance needs. The challenges include land parcel data lacked spatial visibility, ownership records were fragmented, historical transactions was difficult, fraud detection relied heavily on manual checks. These gaps created administrative inefficiencies and limited the state ability to ensure transparency and accountability in land transactions. The objective was to demonstrate how a GIS-driven system could simplify land revenue management. We set up secure ArcGIS online workspace, created parcel and transaction dataset, digitally mapped land boundaries, and delivered an interactive GIS application using ArcGIS Experience Builder. The application we built enabled plot-level interaction, parcel search by ID, ownership visibility, and alert for potential fraudulent activities. This initiative highlights the role GIS can play in modernizing land revenue systems. At Successive Digital, we focus on building systems that improve governance outcomes, not just digitize processes. If you are looking to explore GIS-led digital transformations, our GIS team is ready to help. Connect with us through the email flashing on your screens right now, and that's a wrap for today's episode. Until next time, keep decoding the digital world.